March 7th, 2025 is going to be a massive, massive day for the cryptocurrency industry. But here's what we don't want to do. We do not want to get emotional about this. You see the messages on Twitter. You see everybody asking, why isn't it going straight up? We're in a totally different ball game now. Please listen to what I'm saying. The game has dramatically shifted. Now the big money knows for a fact that the fundamental cryptos are part of the ecosystem for the next 100 years. So you have to pull yourself to a 30,000 foot overview. You have to build a long-term fundamental portfolio. You have to get out of the get rich quick. We saw what the meme coin casino got revealed. It wrecked lives. It's wrecked reputations. It's wrecked people's portfolios. And now we're heading into real world solve fundamental infrastructural changes of our financial system. So what you shouldn't expect today, now if it does, fantastic, but what you shouldn't expect is crypto just to go straight up. What you should expect is a historical day that is going to change the regulatory framework, which is going to change the traditional banking system, which is going to change the way that you look at money, the way that you see money. And by 2030, there's going to be two types of people: the people who own the system or the people who are consumed by the system. So let's dive right in. So it was wild night last night. I was like, man, stop making announcements. I need to go to bed. So another promise made, another promise kept. So last night, Trump signed the executive order making Bitcoin the strategic reserve. Okay, yesterday as well. So if anybody doesn't believe that crypto is here to stay, I don't know what to tell you at this point. Okay, so that happened late last night. And then here's what Texas did yesterday.
Senator Schwertner, you're recognized for a motion.
Thank you, Senator. Thank you, Senators, for the discussions. Move final passage of Committee Substitute Senate Bill 21 to bring Texas into the digital currency era.
Senator Schwertner moves final passage of Committee Substitute for Senate Bill 21. Secretary will call the roll.
Alvarado, Betancourt, Birdwell, Blanco, Campbell, Cook, Creighton, Eckhart, Flores.
It'll be 25 ayes and 5 nays. The bill is finally passed. Congratulations, Senator.
Passed. Boom. Bitcoin now has a Bitcoin strategic reserve. America just signed the Bitcoin strategic reserve. And so Secretary Bessent, or sorry, not Bessent, Howard Lutnick says Trump will unveil a Bitcoin reserve strategy at the White House Crypto Summit. So the reason why we're talking about March 7th is today is the White House Crypto Summit. And then this is what I wanted to show you guys. Abs and I were texting back and forth, and he posted this last night. Great analysis. So what we were trying to figure out is there's a lot of confusion on the way this was positioned, right? So they were talking about what they're going to use is the seized Bitcoin as the strategic reserve. But what it clearly said is there's going to be kind of clearly said, there's going to be a Bitcoin strategic reserve, okay, that is from the seized crypto. There's going to be digital asset stockpile reserve, which he had mentioned on Sunday. I think it was XRP, Solana, ADA, Ethereum. I think, was that it, right? Yeah. And then there's also the sovereign wealth fund. Okay. So this is the way we think it's going to play out. You have a strategic reserve, which is only BTC, which is supposedly from the seized crypto right now. We'll have a digital asset stockpile, which will be another reserve, and then the sovereign wealth fund, or both. Right. So I'd love to hear your comment down below what you think is going to be happening. Okay. So I just wanted to do, here we go. There we go. Hopefully that's rolling with you guys. There we go. Hopefully the internet's working well too as well. I'm traveling right now. But yeah, so this is the time where you got to stay calm. You have to stay calm. The markets are doing something completely opposite of what we thought it was going to do, but it makes sense. It totally makes sense, because think about this. They now know that this is the future. So you're going to see massive market manipulation. So here's what I'm doing. Here's how I stay calm. When they dump these markets, I'm buying the fundamental cryptos that I love. Okay. I dollar cost average. I do it every day. Some people do it weekly. Some people do it monthly. I buy crypto every single day. Okay. My top 2 holdings. And then when it goes up, when it goes parabolic, when it goes straight up, I have an exit plan. I'm holding Bitcoin forever. Okay. Alternative coins, I'm exiting 50% of my portfolio if it hits my targets. That's it. Okay. And the only reason I'm exiting It's because I have every single dime accounted for. Okay, so I'm holding Bitcoin forever. As I exit from the top of the risk pyramid, super high risk, I bring it down the risk pyramid, lower risk, lower returns, secure compounded growth. I use cash value life insurance. So I'll max fund my policies first, a little bit more silver. I bring up the same thing every single day. Real estate, I have a dividend ETF strategy now that I'm using. I'm de-risking when I get the profits. Like for example, one of mine just paid the profits and I'm going to de-risk back into Bitcoin and XRP. And then I have my cash generating businesses as we continue to increase cash flow. Okay. In our businesses, we run about a 20% profit margin. And what we do is we're taking a certain percentage of that profit margin. We have a Bitcoin treasury and an XRP treasury, right? Because American dollar is inflationary. Every year, your value of your dollar goes down. It's designed to be inflationary. It's nothing backing it. Okay. So it's less valuable every single year. Bitcoin and XRP are deflationary. Okay. They have fixed supplies. Every time a transaction runs across XRP, it burns it. And Bitcoin has a fixed supply. And now we have governments, the race. So now we know that countries around the world, 1000% right now, are going to start rushing to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. There is not going to be enough Bitcoin. Okay. And it's not about you rushing out and buying Bitcoin. I'm just sharing with you what is happening. BTC drives the whole market. It's 60% of the market. Okay. So whatever BTC does, it's going to drive the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Okay. So I'm going to shut this video down early. So huge warning. My internet's not doing too good. Huge warning. Okay. I will never, ever DM you. That's not me talking to you on WhatsApp. That's not me talking to you on Telegram. I do not invest people's crypto. I do not have a trading platform. Okay. We'll never ask you to send us money. Okay. Very important. So don't send anybody your crypto. Just don't do it. There's no influencer asking you to send them money. What I do have for you is we've helped 10,300 people worldwide with education. We have an education academy to help you understand blockchain technology, understand portfolio allocations, understanding how to get in, how to get out. How are we so calm during these markets? How did we set up our entry targets? How did we set up our exit targets? We have market calls, live calls, community calls. And when everybody's panicking, our team is going live inside of our community, keeping people calm, explaining what is happening. So if you'd like to join that community, if you click the description of this YouTube video, you'll see the 3T Warrior Academy. Or if you click my bio, is say the Coach JV Academy, and you can dive in with us in there. And then on the other side, completely separate, it's a completely separate company, which is helping people understand bank on yourself, cash value life insurance, how we protect, compound, and grow. We can teach people how to move old 401ks. If you have any old money sitting around, we can show you how we store our profits. But what I do may not work for you. So what I created is called a needs assessment. Okay. In the bio, you click my bio, it says needs assessment, filled out as detailed as possible in the description of this video. Fill as detailed as possible. That way I can have the proper team member reach out to you that matches your needs. And I think we got your back on everything. Oh, and then I also have a completely all free section on this YouTube channel. You'll see I have a really cool video coming out, I think today. I answer a bunch of questions on there. We have the free education section. So basically I share with you exactly what I'm doing. Trying to distill everything down so people have a proper place to go so they can stay calm. But remember, stay calm. Don't expect these news that it's kind of gone completely opposite of what we thought it was going to go, because these news things, what I mean by this is it makes sense to me, but I want to explain this in this way because I'm going based on the Twitter comments, right? I was like, why isn't going straight up white? So it went completely opposite yesterday because listen, they're buying the rumors, they're selling news. They know what's going on. They know this stuff is coming, right? So they dumped on us. Right when the news hit, it dumped. Right when the news hit, it dumped. It's called buy the rumors, sell the news. The rumors make it go up. The big money make it go up. And then when the news hits, they dump on us. We panic sell. We sell them our crypto at a lower price, and then they repeat the cycle. So if you know what you hold it. Hold the line. Hold. Don't sell. When it goes down, buy a little bit more to bring your dollar cost average down. Buy consistently. And when it goes up, maybe pull a little bit of profits. Pretty simple, right? I love you guys. I appreciate you. Hopefully the internet held up. But I always want to make sure I get my videos out. Warriors, let's get your shit together. Let's go. Love you guys.